Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can change the appearance or the theme of your Google Chrome. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to our Google Chrome and then we have to open it. And now simply we have to click on these three dot option. And after clicking on these three dot option, we have to go to the settings option here. So as you can see, you will be able to see the settings option. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on the settings, as you can see in this sidebar, you will be able to see the appearance option here. So we have to click on this. And now as you can see, now the themes are provided here. Now you have to choose the theme like reset to default, whatever you want. You have to click on this and you will get a lot of themes here. So now you have to choose that which theme you want. But I'm going to beg again. As you can see, like show home button, you will be able to see the options like this. As you can see, show bookmark bar. If you want that the bookmark bar should be shown, then you have to make it enable, or you can also make it disable. As you can see, now disappeared it. And now as you can see, show tab groups, and these all options are provided here. The tab preview image, show tab memory usage, every option is provided here. Zoom is also provided here. If you want to customize the font, you can also do that. Every option related to appearance and the theme is provided here. You just have to control it. You just have to change it according to your need. So in this way you can manage your appearance on the Google Chrome. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.